Okay, so Chiyu Technology, as you can see on the PowerPoint, Chiyu Technology and the NX witness software. Basically, we are two different companies, two different industries. Chiyu Technology responsible for the access control, car parking, time attendance, and the digital input and output, and something like a song management. And NX witness is responsible for the CCTV and VR. So two different industries. What about when we put these two companies together? What will happen? This is what I'm going to introduce today. Basically, we know there is a three part in the security industry. The first part is access control and attendance system. As she responsible for that, so this industrial manager even objects like fingerprint, like RFID card, like facial recognition, like iris, like fingerband, like a car, NFC, and VLE, which is for mobile application. And then CCTV surveillance is for NX witness software. And you can see the cameras on the road and the batteries. There is all about CCTV surveillance. And alarm system manage the event trigger. So any button like a monitor input is a variable sensor monitor input, then control output like alarm pressure and a panic button, which can manage emergency event. And before we are access control solution provider. Yes, that and we know there is two other parts as the similar industrial products. But before, when clients are asking for the projects, okay, so let's say time is money. Even a project needs the access control combined with the TV and alarm system. But we only have an access control system before, so we may losing project. Like project cannot wait for 1 second. We will lose the project. So the same situation for our clients. They want to find all-in-one solution, which put these three circles together: access control, CCTV, and alarm system. Time is money. With great time, with great money. So today, later I will show the demo kit of today's webinar. So basically, the system is very simple. You have a RFID access controller, you have a fingerprint controller, you have a camera and digital input and output controller BF1010. And this white square box is for this carbon dioxide emission temperature sensor, which can connect with the BF1010 for monitor real status of the environment, and can connect the device with the door sensor to monitor the door status. And moreover, you connect a fan or air conditioning for some emergency happens, like air quality going bad. Yeah. So there are 5 features I'm going to introduce. First is human feature. Second is taste open. Third is alarm layout, and all part software. That's all. That's it. Okay, so let us start with the first one, human feature. Human feature. Before as access control provider, we know we need access log. Yes, we need access log. And access log comes with timestamp. So you can see timestamp the user information. That is taste, just taste. But what will you think about the in your daily life? Bookmark. We usually use bookmark to mark out the specific page of the books. When we want to check again, we can easily to see the one we have bookmarked the page. So the concept is similar on the NX. We put an access control with extra information. As you can see, there is a rule line, record the employee ID, name, and event, and real-time access controller and time-dependent logs. Record access log with footage, which is a 5-minute short video. So it make the access log and the event more reliable and visibility. And advanced event-based search. This is for fast react to the event. So what about the security? You can easily search the event or reacting to the event first, the event fast. So that this is bookmark feature. And the bookmark feature, you can use the log of event in interactive bookmark feature. Like just a user configuration inactivate, not auto, hands-on violation, expire user, anti-backspace violation, so no access control, and the temper switch no intrude to rust runtime. And DIO control events like we can use any button like what I mentioned before is for control output, and temperature sensor for monitor input, monitor the environment, and the humidity sensor is also monitor. And the second, test overlay. Test overlay, we usually see test overlay like this is we narrow down with specific the meaning of the test overlay is for what you want to do for the next step, like SOP, like location, like anything you want to inform the event or inform the user. So you can see what information do I need? What does this information need? What do I think can be next based on this information? So this is SOP for users can follow. So don't let an event without any handle. And also test overlay is not only can use SOP, it can also use showing the real-time environmental status of the site, like a temperature sensor in the server room, humidity sensor in the mushroom, and any environmental sensor can integrate with the NX movement. So this for easily for security can monitor the status. And alarm layout. Imagine that you are browsing the web page. So when you're browsing the like Yahoo, some shopping mall web page, you will pop up screen to show some discount today, sales today. So this is for what? For drawing your attention. So this is similar with the alarm layout feature in the NX. It just grab your attention for not missing any of event. So you can monitor multi-screen. A side, B side, C side. What happened on A side? What happened on B side? What happened on C side? Security can react the event fast by checking where is the event pattern by checking the multiple screen. This is your hardware trigger and soft trigger. Hardware trigger and soft trigger, like you can put the HTTP command into a small button on screen, so you can remote control the digital input and output. Like you control fan, control alarm, control anything, open door, like. And EMAP is very simple. You can upload your own EMAP for the specific location you want. So next step, I will show you the demo kit and show the demonstration, demo the features and application. Okay, so as you can see in demo kit, this is our ID controller and voice box for the sensor, and fingerprint controller, camera, and connecting the VM10 digital output, and door sensor connecting the sensor controller, and sensor connecting So we are registered user. Okay.
Welcome.
You can see the employee ID and the screen. Okay, so before we see the access login, this is just the text. We don't know any sort of information like show. So it is information. See here, verify user. You can drag it and back the event to see what happened at the moment. And what about someone tries to enter the door?
Please go through security and have your ID ready.
User. So you can see what we can see at this step. We can see the pass over, like we can see the event, we can see who is trying to go.
Please go through security and have your ID ready.
And the SOP, what you want the user to do next step, basically go to check the security, have your ID ready to go to register your name. So you can go to the And what about, for example, I buy the membership of the fitness center maybe for 1 month. Okay, so 1 month later, I forgot to refresh, renew my membership. So the day I go to the main center, I will get this message.
Please check with administrator.
So he will let you check the administrator. And if you don't renew your membership, your membership will be added by the administrator. And
please go to the information desk.
Invite you to go to the information desk to activate your membership. And next, for the access control part, you can use those sensors to like mentioned, door, normal.
Welcome.
Yeah, normal. And what if the member forgets to
do not forget to close the door.
You will show the door open to door and play sound information for you. So okay, you got alerted, so you go back to close the door. And one day somebody get to break this without any rejection. he just broke your door. You will get the door into that. And this is for managing the event control part. So what about the other? The other part, as you can see, this white box with sensor. So you can see the features. You can see the features are going higher. It's the feature going higher. So that time you will trigger air quality event. It's like air quality event. Let me try again. You can see the environmental alert to security to check okay, the server temperature or the carbon dioxide value at the office are going back automatically. Turning on the fan, and you will also trigger out one. So this is for DIO part active system. Next part, we have the software trigger. The software trigger is here. There's a small button on the right side of the screen. So you can remote control the site like alarm, and we close the alarm. We see the status, environmental status going back to the fan. We turn off the fan, and we also, when we have a meeting, open the LED, remote close LED, and we can we call Uber, so the driver arrives at our front door, like open the door, and then close the door. So that is our system. And right now we have a lattice. We have a lattice device which was launched this year with this COVID-19 pandemic. So this is facial recognition device here. This is a sensor. This is see the true
identification set.
You can set the temperature value to the user. This is for factory to monitor the temperature status of the user. And the user access door comes with the temperature of the event. So this is our webinar today. So anyone who has a question, you can type question here. And if you have any question, you can email me